Okay, guys, this floor plan, talk about affordable. We're going to share with you this floor plan. It's a little over 1,500 square feet. It's called the Onyx.
Hey, it's Mel with the Mark and Mel Team, and we're going to show you some crazy reductions in East Gold Canyon. We shared this subdivision with you guys a year ago, and the price reductions since then and the incentives have even increased. So let's share these affordable prices.
But take a look at this affordable home, and it will tell you how much the price is at the end. So take a look. In here we have the first bedroom right there to the right. So it's nice and easily accessible to the front entry. And of course you have a bathroom right there and a second bedroom right next to that bathroom. So the good thing about that is you've got that split floor plan so that you can keep these people up front, you can have the back for a little privacy. Now look at this as you come in here. It is just nice and open, a really open concept. Lots of room for a dining room table, nice big breakfast bar, large kitchen area, and living room. Now, when you look at this, do you see what I see? There's no like little niche, where you can't see anything. You can see the whole backyard here. It's all open to the backyard. So that's the wonderful thing about this. Now take a look at this little office here. Take a look at that little office niche. That's the way that you can take advantage of extra room. But see, I love this because it's got that open feel where you can see outside, you can bring the indoors out and outdoors in, and just it extends your living area.
Not only do they have these lower prices, but they have rates and incentives that are low with their lender.
And in here we have a pantry, coat closet, laundry room, and here we have the third bedroom. So it's a nice large primary bedroom. And again, you can see the outdoors from this bedroom. You can see there's a double sink in the bathroom. It's a good size primary bathroom. Nice size walk-in closet too over there in the corner. I really like this floor plan. Talk about affordable. This one, you guys, starts at $399. There are affordable homes out there right here. And we're not even talking the incentives yet. So we'll share with you the incentives they have going on right now.
Remember, this is a fixed rate FHA loan for 30 years, which brings the payment down to $16.26 a month. Are you kidding me? So you can see by this chart that since the peak of 2022, prices have definitely come down, and they've softened since last year. So it took a year for us to really get sellers to price right, and they finally started negotiating with buyers, and the prices are down. And even if we're talking 1% to 2%, it's still a great deal. So the Crawford report in March 2026 shows the sellers and the buyers market, and the prices are adjusting mostly in the outer cities because of that new construction, which created excess inventory, and more choices for buyers means more pressure on sellers to lower the price, which they are doing and have done. We absolutely love this area because it is at the foothills of where Peralta trails are. And these trails go everywhere. You can see we went on a hike. Mark's actually changing his shoes because his feet are so sore. But there are some nice beginner trails. This one, however, went all the way to the top and of the saddle, they call it. And that is a beautiful view. We'll share the view at the end here. But yeah, we love this area for all the people who love to hike, and we know a lot of hikers. So yeah, poor Mark's rubbing his feet, trying to get that circulation going again. So if you want to take advantage of the best new build deals in Gold Canyon, Arizona right now, let's schedule a private tour and show you where the real opportunities are so that you can lock in today's low prices and low monthly payments and enjoy Arizona's winter lifestyle by 2027. So these are the kind of views you get in Arizona. This is what we all love, right? If you're coming to Arizona, you're wanting to buy something, you know, there are definitely so many beautiful hiking trails. If you like hiking or biking, swimming, you know, you do so many things in the winter here. It's mostly sunshine. We do have those rainy days. But look, you can see the mountains over there. Peralta over there, that's Peralta Trail. Super pretty.